Hi there, this is Mrs. Steckel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use our book bundle request form when you don't know exactly what book you would like to check out, but you would still like to get some books from our curbside pickup service. So I'm here at our Teravista Elementary website, and I'm going to click on the Library tab. Now I'm on the Teravista Elementary Library website. And if you look at the top where it says Students and Parents, and you just kind of hover your mouse right here, you'll see Curbside Book Bundle Request Form. I'm going to click on that. If you are using a desktop or a laptop computer, you can do your book bundle request form right here on the screen. I've embedded that for you here. But if you're using a cell phone, you actually need to click on this yellow button, and that will take you to a mobile-friendly version. But since I'm on a computer, I'm going to show you how to use our book bundle order form here. So it says, complete this form, Mrs. Steckel and Mrs. Malden will pick books just for you. If you know exactly which books you want, please place a hold on the item in the library catalog, and that's in the other video on this form. But if you want just some surprise books, then you can use the book bundle order form. It'll ask for your first name, your last name, your grade, your parent email address. This is very important so we can let you know when your books are ready to be picked up. If you would like us to also email your Round Rock ISD student email address when your books are ready, you can put that in the form as well, but it's not required. You can also skip this question. Let us know how many books you would like to check out. You are allowed to have up to 5 books checked out at a time. So let's say you got 2 chapter books last time and 3 shorter books. Well, maybe this time you still are finishing your chapter books and you would only like to get 3 new books. You can say, I only want 3 books this time. Or maybe you don't have any books. You can say, I want 5 books this time. It's up to you. Now, what kind of book would you like? Would you like an everybody book? These are our picture books. Would you like a fiction chapter book? A nonfiction book? Graphic novels? Or something else? You can check out up to 1 playaway, but we are not currently checking out magazines at this time. So let me fill out this form. I'm just going to do student A, last name is Test. I'm in 1st grade. My parent email, Danielle Purple at roundrockic.org. I'm going to skip students' email address. I'm going to say that I would like 2 books today, and I would like a chapter book, and I would also like an everybody book. That's what I want today. If you said you wanted 5 books, then you might type other, and this is where you can give me information. You could say, I want 3 chapter books and 2 everybody books. So other is where you can give me important information so I know what to pull for you. The next part of our form, and you may actually have to scroll up on the side here, is to pick up to 4 book topics to fulfill your request. So we said we wanted 3 chapter books and 2 picture books. So for my picture book, I would like a piggy and elephant book. And maybe I want some sort of picture book that has a dog character. And that's it. Now, these topics up here are not meant to tell me what kind of chapter book you want. These are just what kind of nonfiction book or what kind of everybody book would you like. If you want a chapter book, you'll say yes and click next. I'll pull my screen up here. So it automatically kind of starts at the bottom of the screen, which is too bad. But if you just take your mouse to the side and pull up, then you can see the form. So chapter book choices. Well, what genre of book would you like? Maybe you want a funny book, or you want a funny book and a sports book. Since you're getting 3 chapter books, maybe you want a funny book, a sports book, and a scary book. So just select what kind of genres you'd like. If you're only getting 3 chapter books, but you don't care what genre you get, or you'd be okay with scary, science fiction, funny books, sports book, and historical fiction, you can check all of those. Just check as many as you'd like. You can say if you'd like any Bluebonnet books. Now you can get 1 Bluebonnet book at a time, so just heads up. And if you know your reading level, you can type it here. If you don't know your reading level, you can tell me what kind of book have you read that was just right for you. So let's say Diary of a Wimpy Kid is just the right level for me. I could type that here. Or if you know your level, let's say I'm reading at a level S, you can type S here. That's just to kind of help guide what books I pull for you, because I don't want to pull anything that's way too hard or way too easy. Now, do you want us to surprise you with a book? It'll be our choice, but we bet you'll like it. So you can say yes or no. If you already told me pretty much exactly what you wanted, then you can say no. But if you want me to pull something that just maybe I think you'd like, you can say, yeah, sure, surprise me. Sounds like fun. We'll click submit, and that's that. Now, if you click this yellow button, it'll take you to the form here. And I think this form will not make you scroll back up to the top each page. So that might be a simpler form to use, but it's up to you. You can also go to the Teravista Library website. And if you happen to be on our library catalog, you'll see the Teravista curbside book bundle request form here as well.